Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have quite an interesting recipe for you, all the way from Bali. I'm going to make mung bean porridge, so we're going to eat sweet mung beans today. I have very few ingredients and all of them are quite straightforward except for one, quite an exotic one, so let's have a quick look. Here I have 200 grams of mung beans which I have been soaking overnight, and some of them have even sprouted. You don't have to soak them, I just find that easier to digest. Then 400 mils, that's 1 can of coconut milk, 1 liter of water, a pinch of salt. This may be a little less known ingredient. These are pandan leaves. You can get them at most Asian shops in the freezer section. Over to this bad boy here, we will need about an inch of ginger, and I'm going to use 80 grams of coconut sugar. I'm starting with finely grating my ginger. Here I have my pot. I'm going to add the mung beans with about 2/3 of this water. I'm going to save some of the water if I need more later. And then I'm adding the ginger and a pinch of salt and bring it up to a boil. Then I turn the heat down low to a simmer, and here I have my pandan leaves which I melted like that, and I'm adding them to my porridge. Now I will let this simmer with lid on for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes I'm adding my coconut milk and coconut sugar, and then I'll let it simmer for another 10 minutes. In Bali, they love to eat this with the delicious but sugar-loaded condensed milk. I added a little bit of coconut yogurt, some toasted shaved coconut, and a little bit of lemon zest. You can add lime zest as well. And if you want a little bit more sweetness, you can add some maple syrup. If you are into porridge, rice porridge or oatmeal like I am, and you want a little bit of variation, this is a perfect one. It's loaded with protein, and because of all the coconut, it has this lovely creamy exotic flavor and texture. I really prefer to eat this porridge cold, so I make a big batch and store it in the fridge, and sometimes I even put some frozen fruit or just ice cubes on top. I hope you enjoyed this video and find this helpful. If you are going to make this recipe, let me know in the comments below what you think of it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.